You're right one.
Yeah, yeah man, hot, hot. When you matter down, my spliff hot so hot. Then I talk boss kill it, them mad could they? Me the fall off, watch it pussy, them chat could they? Bella go off and me name.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind my burn on my hand. I got burned with the hot comb. But anyways, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you already subscribed, well, you already know what's about to go down in this video. This video is all about this blue wig that I revamped. I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I colored this hair and how I got my, I guess you can call these like fringe bangs, how I got my fringe bangs. And yeah, this hair is actually from a company that I know, from a company that I know this person personally. I have purchased this hair from her last summer, I believe, and the hair is still holding up pretty well. It's crazy because you know what this bob is giving, like, you know what the color is giving. This color is giving Nicki. You know that iconic feature that she had with all of them. She had with Diddy. Who else was on that song? I don't even remember. Well, I know her verse, but I don't know the name of the song. It doesn't even matter. But this what this color is giving me. Like, she had like it wasn't a bang or it wasn't a bob. It was like a curly, but it had this type of blue in it. Like, it had like blue and like different dimensions of blue in it. Y'all know what song I'm talking about. I'm gonna insert a clip or something because y'all know what I'm talking about. I just came up sitting a little bit self-centered. That I killed the queen and Alexander McQueen. Got the first stone froze. The bottle be phone broke. I did the music. I look like run this time. The name of the company is Heavenly Extensions. I'll put their information in the description box below, and I'll also attach their Instagram page so you can follow them, you know, if you want to support, if you want to get some good quality hair. Like I mentioned before, I previously purchased this hair in the summer and it's still holding up pretty well. It's still soft, it's still luscious, it's still bouncy. I believe this is 2 bundles of 10 or 12 inch hair with a frontal. Now, this wig I did not construct myself. This wig was actually constructed by someone else, and I'll put their information in the Instagram. I'll put their Instagram and their information in the description box below. But the way she constructed this wig is definitely A1 because no tracks are slipping, nothing is falling apart in this hair. Like I said, it's about to be a year that I've had this wig and everything has still, you know, it's still put together, it's still A1. So definitely shout out to her. So I'll be leaving where to get the hair, who constructed the wig, and all that in the description box below. If you're interested to see how I achieved this hair color and how I got these cute bangs, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, I'm about to revamp this wig. Pray for me, pray for it. It's going through a lot right now. Stay tuned. my bangs crooked? Because that would be so sad if my bangs are crooked. Is this good? I feel like I can't see though. Is it too long? I like it. This bump, I'm gonna bump it. I'm gonna bump her again because I don't know. Not the bang, the bang. Oh, not the bang, the bang. Not the bang, the bang. I feel like this side is a bit long. It's in my eye. And before anybody say anything, I know that these are not shears, they're not hair cutting scissors, but this is all I got in my house right now. So, respectfully, just let me rock. Oh, and before anybody come for me, I'm wearing my Christmas onesie in March because I meet bare feet. Well, I never meet bare feet. That somebody give me. My cousin gave me, but so what? It's mine. Yeah. And I just saw period. I feel like my bang long. My bang long are, but I like long bangs. I don't like short bangs. My forehead big. I feel like this is good. This is good. I did a good job. If I do a bad job, don't tell me. But I feel like this is good. Once I fix up myself, put on my little eyebrow, this is good. Yeah. This can go on. Yeah, this can go on. This can go on, this can go on. Alright. I'm gonna tie her down. I'm gonna put on some makeup and I'll be right back. Hold on.